good platform for sharing of ideas and best practices, especially that the Bureau is also updating its image and its integrity when it comes to procedure. It's a way that we could bridging the private sector from the government, that the CPIOP is bridging the connection between these parties, especially that the BOC is not only serving private but we're also serving the regulating agency. I've always been recommending the stakeholders, especially those that have some non-compliance when it comes to BOC procedures, that they should join or attend this kind of seminar so they can be aware of the latest updates regarding the implementation of chemical management, safety, and awareness.
I find it very informative and it's really helpful for us companies. Very maasikaso, welcoming, and warm, and they're always here for us to learn. Yes, I would definitely recommend this kind of training for them also to learn because we learn a lot here.
Experience na rin kahapon, medyo relevant talaga siya sa position ko and naka-help siya sa akin since bago pa lang ako sa company, and yung position ko kasi is yung pollution control and safety officer, so medyo makarelate ako sa mga na-discuss.
Dito ko na-experience yung kahit lagpas ka na ng 5 p.m, yung urge mo na matuto, nandun pa rin. So kumbaga the way na na-handle yung training, the way na yung pagkakasunod-sunod, tas yung mga speakers, they are all SMEs, no? Subject matter experts po talaga sila. And on my personal opinion, magandang venue siya na may i-advance mo pa yung kung ano meron ka ngayon. Malaking tulong yung free yung training, and we really thank you for that. Kasi nga bibihira yung mga training na libre, at kung sino pa yung libre yung training, grabe, ang dami mo pang matututunan talaga. So it's really an opportunity to be part of this training talaga po. So we've been communicating with our HR and our company na first burst pa lang ng training, I would really recommend. So ganun siya ka-impact sa learning namin talaga. Sana mas marami pang company yung matulungan and mabigyan ng free training, because it's really an eye-opener, lalong-lalo na yung compliance natin, not just for local compliances but also for the national. So I think and I believe na sa mga ganitong efforts, lalago talaga yung bansa natin.